This year's capital investment in data centers is significantly higher than last year's, which itself was already a massive year. Given the advancements with Blackwell and the expansion of new data centers, it's reasonable to expect another strong year ahead. Looking at the bigger picture, what's truly exciting is that we are just at the beginning of the reasoning AI era. Unlike traditional AI models that generate answers instantly, reasoning AI takes a more thoughtful approach. It evaluates the question, breaks it down step by step, and searches within its own dataset before composing a well-structured response. The computational power required for this process is 100 times greater than before. If last year seemed like a high point for compute demand, the emergence of reasoning AI has taken it to an entirely new level. Examples include models like ChatGPT 4.0, Grok 3, and DeepSeek, all of which require significantly more processing power. In the short term, purchase orders and market forecasts are key indicators of growth. However, what's even more promising is the emergence of new startups driven by breakthroughs in reasoning AI and artificial general intelligence. Many of these companies are pushing the boundaries in agent-based AI and physical AI, both of which demand substantial computing power. This growing need is why major cloud service providers like AWS are seeing an increasing demand for compute resources. AI development generally follows three phases. The first phase is pre-training, similar to how humans go through high school, learning the fundamentals of math, language, and general knowledge. The second phase, post-training, refines the AI's understanding through reinforcement learning and human feedback, akin to a teacher guiding a student. AI models practice, conduct thought experiments, and go through rigorous evaluations, often using reinforcement learning and verifiable reward feedback. This post-training phase is where most of the innovation is currently happening, requiring significantly more computational power than pre-training. The final phase is inference, where the AI applies its reasoning process rather than generating an instant response. Instead of delivering an immediate answer, the model carefully considers its response, breaking it down logically, evaluating multiple options, and selecting the best one. The computational load for inference today is about 100 times greater than when models like ChatGPT first launched. Tesla's rapid growth isn't just something to observe, it's an opportunity. For investors and market analysts looking for insights on Tesla's stock, innovations, and Elon Musk's latest ventures, Seeking Alpha is a valuable resource. Clicking the affiliate links in the description supports the channel and provides access to expert analysis and stock price forecasts. Every major industry today is undergoing a fundamental transformation. The businesses and technologies built over the past several decades are experiencing seismic shifts. The foundation of modern computing has evolved, and NVIDIA was created to accelerate this transformation. Initially, the vision was to enhance software by offloading intensive workloads to accelerated computing systems. This approach led to the development of CUDA, a programming model that allowed applications to run much faster. The impact of this acceleration is similar to Moore's law, making previously impractical tasks feasible. One of the earliest breakthroughs was in computer graphics. Real-time 3D rendering became possible because of the GPU, which was the first true accelerated computing architecture. As a result, high-quality computer graphics became widely accessible, transforming industries like gaming, film, and simulation. However, NVIDIA's long-term ambition was always to expand accelerated computing beyond graphics. Over the past 3 decades, NVIDIA has systematically introduced acceleration into various industries. Unlike a general-purpose processor, which aims to handle all tasks, specialized acceleration requires rethinking the entire computing stack, from algorithms and architecture to software optimization. This process takes time and collaboration across industries. Today, accelerated computing powers fields such as semiconductor manufacturing, computational lithography, engineering simulations, and even 5G network infrastructure. Quantum computing research is also benefiting from hybrid classical quantum approaches. In healthcare, accelerated computing is revolutionizing gene sequencing and drug discovery. Databases are evolving into AI-powered knowledge bases, using technologies like vector search to structure and analyze vast datasets. By integrating AI, these systems can derive insights and improve efficiency across various applications. In fields such as supply chain optimization, AI-driven computing accelerates decision-making for logistics and resource management. Another critical area of AI advancement is physics-based modeling. AI is now capable of predicting complex fluid dynamics, material behaviors, and particle physics interactions. One of the most impactful AI libraries, Cubian, played a pivotal role in making deep learning widely accessible. Over time, NVIDIA has developed acceleration solutions for nearly every industry, reaching a tipping point where accelerated computing is becoming the standard. Around a decade ago, a breakthrough occurred in AI. The introduction of AlexNet demonstrated an unprecedented improvement in computer vision, marking a turning point for deep learning. This prompted NVIDIA to reevaluate computing as a whole, exploring how deep learning could be applied across different industries. Recognizing its potential, NVIDIA made a strategic decision to focus entirely on AI-driven computing. Over the past 12 years, this shift has fundamentally changed the landscape of technology. Software development, once dominated by traditional coding, has transitioned to machine learning-driven programming. Previously, software was created by manually writing algorithms in languages like Python, C++, or Fortran. Developers would craft functions, process inputs, and produce outputs in a structured manner. However, the rise of machine learning disrupted this approach. Instead of explicitly coding every rule, AI models now learn from vast amounts of data. By recognizing patterns and relationships, these models generate their own predictive functions. This transition from traditional coding to machine learning represents a fundamental shift in how software is developed and deployed. Tesla has been a leader in applying AI-driven software to real-world applications, particularly in autonomous driving and robotics. For those looking to stay updated on Tesla's latest innovations and stock performance, Seeking Alpha provides in-depth coverage and expert analysis. The link in the description offers exclusive access to Tesla stock predictions, technological developments, and business insights. At its core, AI-driven computing has led to the reinvention of the entire technology stack. The hardware, the way software is built, and the capabilities of computing have all been transformed. NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture represents the next step in this evolution, designed to process massive datasets and uncover valuable insights. This AI revolution has enabled breakthroughs across numerous domains, from understanding the meaning of words and images to analyzing chemical compounds and protein structures. AI has become a universal translator of information. It can convert text into images, summarize large datasets, and even predict molecular behaviors for drug discovery. These advancements have fueled an explosion of new AI startups, each applying these capabilities in innovative ways. The number of generative AI companies has grown dramatically, with billions of dollars pouring into the sector. This surge in development is driven by reinforcement learning, synthetic data generation, and AI-driven reasoning, all of which demand unprecedented levels of computing power. As AI continues to evolve, the need for advanced computing solutions will only increase. Companies investing in AI-driven infrastructure are positioning themselves for the future, and Tesla remains at the forefront of this technological shift.